In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the Etsy ads not spending issue in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. When your Etsy ads are not spending, it usually means your listings aren't getting impressions, not that there's a technical error. Now, if you want to fix the Etsy ads not spending issue, here's what to do. Start by checking if your ads are actually enabled. Log into your account on Etsy, go to Shop Manager, open Marketing, then Etsy Ads, and make sure your campaign is turned on with an active daily budget. Next, give it some time. If you just started your ads, Etsy may take 24 to 48 hours to begin spending while it tests where to show your listings. After that, check your listing status. Ads won't run if your products are inactive, expired, or out of stock. Go to listings and make sure everything you're promoting is active and available. Then, improve your listing quality. Etsy prioritizes listings that are more likely to convert, so update your main product image, use strong keywords in your title and tags, set competitive pricing, and make your shipping details clear. Also, review your budget and competition. If your daily budget is too low or your niche is highly competitive, your ads may struggle to get visibility. Increasing your budget slightly can help trigger spending. Keep in mind that Etsy automatically favors high-performing listings, so better optimization leads to better ad delivery. That's it. Once your listings are active, optimized, and your ads are properly set up, your campaign should start spending and bringing in traffic.